Good morning.
Yes, good morning, everyone. Kindly prepare your whiteboard, please, and your paper and pencil.
What subject is this?
Math.
What subject is this, teacher?
But
All right, so last time we discussed about finding perimeter, right? And we also answered a short activity. This time we're going to continue the activity that we had last time. So we stopped at number so we stop at number 5 in finding the rectangle, finding the perimeter of a rectangle. This time we're going to continue finding the perimeter of the square. So for the perimeter of finding the rectangle, we have the formula given, which is perimeter is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus width. Okay, so you have the sizes, length, and then you have width. This time, let's continue to finding the perimeter of the square. All right, so what do you think? What is the formula of finding the perimeter of a square?
finding a formula in a square.
Finding the perimeter of the square.
16 is in the top. Every 16 is in the down and 20 is in the right. Then that means 20 is in the left like that. And length.
So for the square. So for the square, you have the given sides. It's just one side right here. So what is the formula of finding the perimeter for the square? So the formula is, what is it? Wait. Okay, so for finding the square, the formula given is A. We have here P.
Times 4.
P is equals to 4
11
multiplied by sides. Okay. So you have 4 times sides. Right. So you already have the formula given. Kindly answer it, please.
and 4 times 5, 44.
So this is the formula for finding the perimeter of the square. Right. So kindly write your answers and solution. Number 1. So number 1, you have 11 yards. Don't forget to write down the unit. You have here yards.
1 times 4.
YD stands for yards.
You add 4, 11.
You're done. I'm done.
You're done? Okay, how about the rest? Let's wait for them.
Why are we still in number 1?
Done, teacher.
Number 6. times 4 times
I'm
11.
here to be so tired.
I know what's 4 times 4.
Who's not here, Aldes? Where's Aldes? Okay. Are you all done? Are you finished?
Yeah.
But not yet.
Kindly raise your hand if you are finished. Let's see.
It's 44.
Okay.
P equals 44.
I'm done, teacher. Oh.
Okay, let's wait for Aldes and the rest. Time flies so fast. It's already Friday. Ay, nako.
Is it Friday today?
Yes, today is.
It's Friday today.
Mm-mm. It's so fast.
Is that 4 times 5 or else?
I'm done.
Aldes, are you finished? Aldes?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue now. Right, for the next number 2. So number 2, you have 2 feet. 2 feet.
Oh, P.
Wait and blank, teacher.
Huh? Yes, write your solution in finding the perimeter of the square. So you have,
Is it okay? Is it also okay without having the solution?
huh? No, you need to write down the solution. How will I know that you answered correctly? Let me see. Who's done?
Not yet done.
Alex. Where is Alex? Hmm.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Right. Who else are done?
Mommy.
Huh? Okay, Seth is done. Sophia is done. Eliza, Maika, Johan. Are you finished? Okay, Alex is finished. Okay, so let's continue now. Let's go to number 3. So for number 3, you have 4 inches for the given number. So find the perimeter of a square with 4 inches on each side. I'm gonna lie sometime.
Picture caption. No. Next teacher.
Let's wait for the others.
Done, teacher.
Wait, teacher. I'm getting a paper.
Right, Seth is done. And so was Alex. Wait, do you know where Abby is?
She's not here. Abby's not here.
Yeah, I think she forgot to turn on.
Turn on our alarm.
She always forgets.
Forget.
Say Jinx, teacher. Say Jinx.
Okay, are you all finished?
Yes.
Yes. Let's start now. Let's start. Number 4. So you have here 6 foot, 6 feet.
Ayana. What friend is Carol anyone?
Yes, Johan, what is it?
I have my friends Eliza and Pyro. What?
6 1.
I should play basketball. Eliza and Pyro and all my friends. I will sit with them.
The next what's teacher Johan is keeping
Mm. Okay, finish?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Done, teacher.
Five. So for number 5, you have each sides, which is 18 inches.
Okay. I'll do it. Number 5. Teacher, wait.
All right, so let's check now.
It's done.
Okay, so let's check number 1.
Done, teacher.
So number 1, you have here. Okay, Seth, let's have Seth. Kindly solve number 1, Seth. P equals 4
times 11.
11.
P
So you
plus
say 11. P
equal and
so how much is it? 4
44 yards.
44 yards. Correct. So the answer is 44 yards. So kindly check your answer if you got the same answer with Seth. Next, number 2.
Can I answer?
Okay, let's have Eliza for number 2.
Oh, okay. So So here it's equals 4 times
4
4.
times 2. 2 feet.
8 feet. 8 feet.
Okay, 8 foot. 8. Is this correct?
Yes.
So
No,
kindly
that's
check your answer.
Oh, that's not correct, teacher.
Huh? What's the answer?
Correct.
Huh, Zach?
Correct for me because like P. It's correct.
Okay, so this is actually correct. 4 multiplied by 2 is equals 8. Next, number 3. Number 3, another number. So you have each side is equals to 4 inches. So what do you think is the correct answer? Can I have Sean?
Okay. So
P is equals to
equals
4.
4 and then times 4
Mm-hmm.
equals to 16.
So the correct answer is 16. 16 inches. Mhm.
16 inches.
All right. Is this correct? Grade 2?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Next, number 4. Number 4, Aldez.
Uh, P equals 4 times 6.
Mm-hmm. P is equals to 4 times 6.
A feet.
Mm-hmm. Next,
And perimeter is 24. Equals
4 multiplied by 6 is equals to
4 multiplied by 6 is equals to 24.
124.
24.
Oh, okay. I thought 124. Okay, so you have 24 feet. Next, number 5. Number 5, let's have another one. Kindly answer. Um, let me. Okay, Maika.
Yeah, we teacher. There.
Maika. Cannot hear you, Maika. Yes.
P equals 4 times 18.
P equals 4 multiplied by 18 inches. So what is your answer? P is equals to
72 inches.
P is equals to
72 inches.
Maika. Let's have Maika to answer.
I'm still doing the answer. 4
Okay, so you have P is equals to 4 multiplied by 18.
72. 72.
Let's wait for Micah to finish. Are you done, Micah?
Two times 1. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 7. What's the answer? 72 inches.
Okay, the correct answer is 72 inches. Now, in checking, if your solution is like this in the given exam, the checking for this is 1 by 1. So 1 point for each solution. So you have 2. Then the next number, you have another 2. Okay, so that's how it works. But for now, we're just gonna continue with the numbering. So who got 10 over 10? That includes the score from the previous solution that we had, or activity that we had. Who got 9 over 10?
Me. I got 10 out of 10.
Who got
Irene,
8
I got
over
10 over
10? 8 over 10. 7 over 10. Who got 6 over 10? Okay, so if you got 7 over 10, it means you passed.
9 over 10, teacher.
Okay, so that's it for the math class. So kindly call me again. It's already 9. It's time for our English class. See you in a bit. Goodbye.
Teacher,